welcome back to my channel. Today is April 3, by the way, and right now it's 5:50 a.m. We're about to go to the beach downstairs. It's just like a 3-minute walk away from our hotel. So yeah. From the beach, we went back here in the hotel to eat our breakfast. Right now it's 9:50 a.m. We're about to go upstairs, so let's go! I'll see you guys there at the pool. Today's April 3, exactly 10:55 a.m. We will go back to the hotel for after like 5 minutes kasi magliligpit pa kami and mag-check out kami ng 12 p.m. So we still have 3 hours free after 12. Hanggang 3 o'clock pa kami dito. Hope you guys are still watching and enjoying this video somehow. So, see you there. Hi guys, so mag-check out na. Galing kami kanina sa pool, tapos nagbihis dito and ayun, hindi pa ako nakapag-ayos. 12 p.m. yung check out time namin. So bawal kaming malate. Okay na yan.
Here go to the lady Buddha and fine.
We're done eating our lunch and I bought these babies. So, lately kasi nahilig ako sa mga room decor and ayun, we're just finding a souvenir shop kung meron. guys, right now I'm in Ibasho Cafe, and this place is a hostel or like a hotel slash coffee shop. So right after we ate, diretso na lang kami dito sa cafe na to kasi nakita ko tong coffee shop na to sa Instagram and sobrang nagandahan ako. So pinuntahan namin agad. This is my drink. Matcha with coconut. We will go back to the hotel to get our stuffs there, and we will go na sa airport. So yeah. See you guys later. Bye! Sinloy. Let's go. Okay. We're going. So here's my dad telling me to go. Hi sis. I'm here in the airport right now, and we're just waiting for our flight. Yung flight namin is around 5 p.m. and we're just waiting there at our gate. Nag-change ng gates. From gate 4, pupunta kami ng gate 6. So ngayon, yun yung ginagawa namin. I need to stop using the word so.